Hey English learners! Our topic today is Unit 14, Present Perfect and Past, I have done and I did, Part 2. Let's roll!
Tamomlangan davr, masalan,
Yesterday, 10 minutes ago, in 2022, when I was a child.
va hokazo haqida gapirilganda
Present perfect, I have done.
ishlatilmaydi. Bunday hollarda
Past simple.
ni qo'llang.
The weather was nice yesterday.
Kecha havo yaxshi edi.
They arrived 10 minutes ago.
Ular 10 daqiqa oldin kelishdi.
I ate a lot of sweets when I was a child.
Bolaligimda ko'p shirinlik yerdim.
Did you see the news on television last night?
Kecha kechqurun televizordan yangiliklarni ko'rdingmi?
When.
Yoki
What time.
so'roqlari bilan
Past simple.
ni qo'llang.
When did they arrive?
Ular qachon keldilar?
What time did you finish work?
Ishingni qaysi payt tamomlading?
Taqqoslang.
Present perfect. Past simple.
Tom has lost his key. He can't get into the house.
Tom kalitini yo'qotgan. U uyga kira olmayapti.
Bunda gap bajarilgan ish harakat haqida emas, balki ish harakatning hozirgi natijasi haqida borayapti. Tomda hozir kalit yo'q.
Tom lost his key yesterday. He couldn't get into the house.
Tom kecha kalitini yo'qotgan edi. U uyga kira olmadi.
Bunda gap o'tmishdagi ish harakat haqida borayapti. Bu gapdan Tomda hozir kalitning bor yo'qligi aniq emas.
Is Carla here or has she left?
Karla shu yerdami yoki ketganmi?
Bizga hozirgi natija qiziq. Karla hozir shu yerdami, yo'qmi?
When did Carla leave?
Karla qachon ketdi?
When.
Bilan faqat
Past simple.
ishlatiladi. Taqqoslang.
Present perfect, I have done. Past simple, I did.
I've done a lot of work today.
Bugun ko'p ish qildim.
Present perfect.
Zamoni hozirgacha davom etib kelayotgan davrni ko'rsatish uchun ishlatiladi. Masalan,
Today, this week, since 2015.
I did a lot of work yesterday.
Kecha ko'p ish qildim.
Past simple.
zamoni o'tmishda tugagan davrni ko'rsatish uchun ishlatiladi. Masalan,
Yesterday, last week, from 2005 to 2020.
yana misollar.
It hasn't rained this week.
Bu hafta yomg'ir yog'madi.
Hafta hali davom etmoqda.
It didn't rain last week.
O'tgan hafta yomg'ir yog'madi.
Hafta tugab bo'ldi.
Have you seen Ann this morning?
Annani bugun ertalab ko'rdingmi?
Hali ham ertalab.
Did you see Ann this morning?
Annani bugun ertalab ko'rdingmi?
Hozir tushlik yoki kechqurun.
Have you seen Tim recently?
Bu yaqinda Timni ko'rdingmi?
Hozirgacha bo'lgan paytda.
Did you see Tim on Sunday?
Yakshanba kuni Timni ko'rdingmi?
Yakshanba tugab bo'lgan. Yana misollar.
I don't know where Lisa is. I haven't seen her.
Lizaning qayerdaligini bilmayman. Uni ko'rganim yo'q.
Bu yaqinda ko'rganim yo'q.
Was Lisa at the party yesterday?
Liza kecha bazmda bormidi?
I don't think so. I didn't see her.
Menimcha yo'q. Uni ko'rmadim.
We've been waiting for an hour.
Biz 1 soatdan beri kutayapmiz.
Hozir ham kutayapmiz.
We're waiting for an hour.
Biz 1 soat kutdik.
Endi esa kutmayapmiz.
Jack lives in Berlin. He has lived there for 7 years.
Jake Berlinda yashaydi. U yerda u 7 yildan beri yashaydi.
Jack lived in London for 10 years. Now he lives in Berlin.
Jake 10 yil Londonda yashadi. Hozir u Berlinda yashaydi.
Qo'shimcha misollar.
I have never played golf.
Men hech qachon golf o'ynamaganman.
Hayotimda
I didn't play golf last summer.
O'tgan yoz men golf o'ynamadim.
ta'tilingizning oxirgi kuni.
It's been a really good holiday. I've really enjoyed it.
Ta'til haqiqatan ham yaxshi bo'ldi. Menga juda yoqdi.
Ta'til hali tugamagan, bir kun qoldi. Ta'tildan qaytganingizdan keyin.
It was a really good holiday. I really enjoyed it.
Ta'til haqiqatan ham yaxshi bo'ldi. Menga juda yoqdi.
Ta'til tugadi.
Present perfect.
Ning doimo hozir bilan bog'liqligi yoki aloqasi bor. Unit 7:12 ga qarang.
Past simple.
Faqat o'tmish haqida ma'lumot beradi. Unit 5:6 ga qarang. Shu bilan unit 14 o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Endi odatdagidek leksika.uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli savollarga javob bering va olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring. Va albatta, ushbu rolikka like qo'yib, komment yozish esingizdan chiqmasin. Bu bizga juda katta yordam beradi. Yaqinlaringiz va do'stlaringizga ham darslarimiz haqida xabar bering. Birgalikda o'rganish qiziqarliroq bo'ladi. Omad!